Today I'm going to show you how to create a Spotify for Artists account. Actually, I'd say it's more like claiming a Spotify artist profile. So the first step is to get your music on Spotify. We have spoken at length about the large amount of music distributors available, the likes of CD Baby, Symphonic, Lander, and Songtradr. You cannot post music on Spotify without a distributor, so consider going through any of our previous videos to get an idea of how each one performs and what they have to offer. So once you've had your record released, you want to go to artist.spotify.com. Once on this great looking page, you want to select Get Access. Then select whichever option is applicable to you. I'll select Artist. Now you will be brought to a login screen. Either you create a new account or you log into your existing Spotify account. Once here, they will ask if it's the right account, and if so, click Next. Now they want the URL of the page you are trying to claim. So search up your artist name on Spotify. Click on the three little dots next to follow and share artist profile link. Paste it and hit Next. Now I've already done this many years ago, so I can't really show you, but it goes down exactly the way I said. One thing to note is none of this is immediate. Everything needs to be verified and cross-referenced. They will ask you for social media links, pictures of your social media links. Try and have those social media links linked to the email account that you are using to claim this profile. It's just tiny little things to make the process of identification a lot easier. It's really simple to claim your profile and reap the benefits. Have an amazing day.